Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at tangent and normal to an ellipse. So in our last lecture we talked about what an ellipse is all about, what is an ellipse, and so on and so forth. We talk about how to find the foci, directories, the vertices and all. But in this lecture we'll be concentrating on how to find the tangent and the normal to an ellipse. Okay, so I'll be giving us a fast approach on how to get the tangent. So because we have an idea of what a tangent means, which is just the dy dx. Okay, so I will just now look at this. This is the equation of a tangent: a squared plus y squared over b squared is equals to 1. Okay, so the equation of a tangent straight from this. So the equation of a tangent to an ellipse is given as c. You see, anywhere you see s, change it to ss1 over a squared. Anywhere you see y, change it to y1 over b squared is equal to 1. Okay, so this is now the equation of a tangent. So if they ask you to get your normal, you are going to use, you need your slope. So for normal you will need m2, but remember that m2 is equals to minus 1 over m1. Okay, so you find the inverse of the slope of the tangent, then negate it. That will give you your normal. So once you get your m2, then you use this formula: s minus s1 is equals to m2. So this will give you your normal. So let's look at this example. So this question say that we should find the equation of the tangent to the ellipse at the point 3, 2, and also find the equation of the normal. So without wasting time, our equation is this: plus 9y squared equals to 72. Okay, 3, 2. We're given this point. So this is our s1, this is our y1. Okay, so the formula I told us is to find the equation of tangents. That anywhere you see s, just change it to ss1. Anywhere you see y, change to yy1, and this is equals to 72. So now your s is 3, your s1 is 3, your y1 is 2, equals to 72. So this will give you 4 times 2 is 12x, 9 times 2 is 9 times 2 is 18, y is equals to 72. So if we make y the subject of formula here, we get minus 12x plus 72. If you divide through by 18, you get 12x over 18 plus 72 over 18. So divide through by 3, you get minus 3. Divide through by, or if you reduce it to the lowest term, 6 can go, you get 2x over 3 plus 9. If you divide by is it 4 now, so you get 4 here. I think 4 can go into 72. So that is what we got. So this is our answer. So the question says we should also get the equation of the normal. So remember the slope of the normal. Now the slope of normal is m2, and m2 is minus 1 over m1. So from this one, m1 is equals to minus 2 over 3. Okay, so if you pick your slope, the coefficient of x is your slope, minus 1 over 2. So to get m2, we find the inverse of this, and then we negate it. So minus open bracket. So what is the inverse of this? The inverse of this is 3 over 2 minus. Okay, so minus times minus will give you plus, so that is 3 over 2. So with this slope, let's get the equation. Y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals to m2. Okay, what is y1? So y1 is 3 comma 2. Okay, so we have 2, we have 3 equals to 3 over 2. So equals multiply 2 into y minus 2 equals 3 into x minus 3. 2y minus 4 is equals to 3x minus 9. So 2y is equals to 3x minus 9 plus 4. So 2y is equals to 3x minus 5. So this is the equation of the normal, and the one I did previously is the equation of the tangent. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.